Welcome home to Suite 207 at 270 West 1st. Perfectly situated in the vibrant Lower Lonsdale neighborhood sits a renovated 2-bedroom corner suite at Dorset Manor. Open concept creates a spacious floor plan and features hardwood floors, crown molding, and a beautifully renovated kitchen. This lovely home has a southwest exposure with peekaboo views of the city, the ocean, Stanley Park, and Lionsgate Bridge. Dorset Manor is a well-maintained complex and has had many updates. The suite is complete with secured parking and storage, and the home is in a fabulous location, only a 7-minute walk to the SeaBus and Lonsdale Quay, and just minutes to Spirit Trail.